So this is sort of part two. This is about getting the GrEATs projects to Beth as quickly as I can or succinctly as I can. So what we've done is downloaded all of these projects from Brightspace, and I put them all. They come down in a folder that looks like this here. And then when you click on each one, it opens the student's submission. And then you just grab it and move it over into a folder that you have named something like this. So, just I hope I have that folder name correct. Let me double check that because I feel like no, that was right. Here it is. That's from the how to batch instructions from Beth. So that's what we've done. And then what I've done offline was to do a little investigation on the projects that did not have the 900 number in the name and had, I don't think in any case their name, but they had things like final project and stuff like that. They didn't have the 900 number. So I had to use the name here and go to Simon here. That's the thing I couldn't remember the name of. Go to Simon, faculty advisor, class list, and then select the class and the semester. And I don't think I'm going to go through all that because in the interest of time here, maybe I can do it quickly. So yes, just select the class. You might have to select the semester, I think, because I just did it. It had it. And there's the student's name and the 900 number. So then I just copy. I can Control-C, but you can copy these. So if it was this student, you can copy this. And then go back in there and rename the file and paste it. I won't do it, of course, because this isn't the right one, but rename the file with that number that you just grabbed out of Simon. So that's how you rename all those so that they're 900 numbers. And then the next task is actually getting them to Beth. And so my instructions for doing that are, here it is, e-submissions via OneDrive. So I've already logged in. Then I'm going to go back to that page where we went to Simon. And I'm going to go to that applications. So it's still here. And somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. No, I'm not finding it. Oh, it's because I have to scroll down. No. Hold on, let me follow the directions. CCBC applications. Why am I missing that? Maybe it was just there and I've overlooked it. Try again. So go here. Oh, I was just overlooking it. Okay. Sorry to drag you through that. Click that. This is the part I find strange. The thing we're looking for is called Students Dashboard. It's a little specific since we're using it. While that's loading, I'll go back to the instructions and look at the next piece. Did that. So I just clicked. Select from the waffle at the top left, OneDrive. So let's see if I can do that yet. Good morning. Sure. I'm going to click this waffle, select OneDrive. That's loading, so let me look. While that loads, I'll look back at the instructions. Create your GrEATs submission folder. Oh, this is the one. So this one will have our name in it. So yes, our name should look like this format right here. There's the descriptor. There's an example. So mine will be Falcon J GrEATs. I'm going to have to put a 2 on mine. Oh, I already have it, so I can insert it. So I could go New, Folder, and put that name in there. But I've already submitted some, so I already have this folder. So I don't want to do that to her. So I'm going to open my folder. And there they are. Let me go back to the instructions, make sure I'm not getting ahead of myself. Mine is a little different than it would be if you were doing this fresh. So copy the folders and student work from the desktop. So I didn't put mine on the desktop, but I get the idea. So let me get this out of the way. I don't need this anymore. I will need this. So this is the folder I created. I didn't put mine on the desk drive. I'm a bad man. I put it on OneDrive. So it's here. And let me minimize this so I can get it back open when this is up. So, well, actually, upload folder. Okay, I don't have to do it that way. I can do it this way. This is the folder I want to upload. It's in OneDrive. That's where I saved it. She asked us to save it on the desktop. And things are happening, and it's there. And now I'll have to share it. So let me go look at the instructions and make sure I don't mess that up. Share your GrEATs folder by clicking share, and it'll autofill with her name. So go back in there, and let me hit back one time so I can get to this GrEATs folder. This is the button for share. Click that. No, I don't want to send it to myself. So Schrader, and I'm going from memory, but I bet it will autofill. There she is, right there. Click that, and in my case, this is a Hi Beth. Here is the remaining combined class that I hadn't submitted. Thanks. She knew this was coming. I couldn't submit all of mine because I had a deadline after her deadline. So that's why I'm able to do this video. So I hit send. It says it was sent. This will also send a notification to my inbox. Let me double check there's nothing else left in the instructions. There isn't. That's how you do it. So I'm going to stop recording.